In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly upload photos to Dropbox so you can access them anywhere. First, open dropbox.com in your browser and log into your account. Once on your home page, look for the upload button at the top. It's usually marked with an upload arrow. Click it and select Upload File. A window will pop up. Choose the photo from your computer that you want to upload. Next, pick the folder where you'd like to store it. You can select an existing folder or create a new one to keep things organized. Then click Choose Location to confirm. And that's it. Your photo is now safely stored in Dropbox and accessible from any device. You can use the same steps to upload other files too. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tips.